It is now precisely 7 o'clock.
Springbok Radio presents World News and Africa Survey.
Good morning. It is Wednesday, the 29th of October, 2025, and I salute you all here from the edges of the Kalahari Desert in South Africa. First of all, my name is Wynand de Tooy. I'm a former officer in the old SADF, and it is my duty to bring an update to you on what is happening in South Africa and what are we doing to counter the situation, or at least how do we prepare for the worst. But before carrying on, just remember to subscribe to the channel, like it, and share it. Share it far and wide so that more and more people worldwide can know our cause and why are we doing this, and also to allow more people of European descendancy to come into the lager. The world is in total chaos, spiraling more and more out of control. The wars that is going on, potential wars, people who want war, people who wants to make peace, disruptions internally in a lot of European countries as well as the USA. And here in South Africa, it's the same old story for the past 30 years of neglect and destruction, which have been accelerated over the past year or so, and especially since February of this year, more and more black economical empowerment laws have been put into place, despite the Trump administration warning to do this. What we foresee eventually is that violence and anarchy will erupt here in South Africa, and it will start by one of several means. Firstly, xenophobia. That is of all the other illegals that is coming into South Africa. The fact that people get poorer and poorer, they will be hungry, starving, and they will rise up against the government. And in the process, we will be the victims of their fight. So it is important that we organize ourselves properly so that we can be safe and secure wherever we choose to gather. So this morning, I'm going to give you a slight rundown on SBB. That's our organization. It is also called Suidland Civil Protection. And I'm going to put it on the stage so that you can read with me. Suidland Civil Protection. It's a German word, Suidland, but there's a good reason why I'm using the German word Suidland Civil Protection, but in Afrikaans, the shortened version is SBB, which we use when we ordinarily speak about the organization. Our vision, and I think it is important that we talk about the vision so that everybody can see and understand it. The vision of SBB is creating a safe environment for a sustainable, progressive existence. It is important to identify an area within South Africa where we will be able to survive and to protect ourselves to whatever is coming to our side. Then our mission is a little bit more close. The vision is very broad. The more close part is then the mission. SBB missions is to secure, maintain, and develop an organized, protected geographical area to which like-minded conservatives can migrate temporarily or permanently during a situation of political or any other forms of instability elsewhere in South Africa and Namibia. The aim is to develop the capability to maintain the integrity of this safer identified area during political instability, violence, and anarchy by establishing an effective protection capability for like-minded and conservative people through public participation according to military guidelines, discipline, and command structures. So first we have looked at the vision, which is very broadly defined, that we basically must be able to protect ourselves. Then the mission, who is more defined as to the area where we must be, and the aim is then what we must develop what we must develop and maintain to be able to safeguard this identified area. And that's the aim. So when we look at the objectives, to execute according to strategic assessments, to do proactive area domination, to establish an effective logistical system, to apply law and order, to combine expertise across a broad spectrum, to ensure food security, and to ensure medical care, humane handling, and care of older persons and the elderly. And it's very important that we work according to a fixed plan, a well and thoroughly assessment which we have made of the situation and the geological area in South Africa. Where is it more safe than, say, before, for example, closer to the cities? So it must be relatively far away, isolated, where we first can assemble all our members together, and from there, with what we have created, be able to dominate the rest of the more safer area to enable farmers to continue farming in that specific area so that there can be enough food produced to provide the refugees from the cities, our own people refugees from the cities, so that there is enough for them to eat. But then normal farming activities got to continue, got to progress so that there is enough. And all the while SBB is making it possible for the farmers to farm and for life to be as normal as possible in such a dangerous situation which is approaching us very fast. So we must be ready, and we must draw as many as possible people into this lager of safety, because safety eventually means numbers, and we got to stand firm. But we must be able to do it with the correct means to maintain what we have set out to do. Then the last slide I want to show to you is I invite you to support this initiative, become a member. If you are of European descendancy, then you are more than welcome. And international people are welcome we got an international group specifically formed, and they can support us in different ways. They can also donate towards the organization so that we can put everything in place. And then we want you to spread the word anywhere in the world. Advertise on my YouTube channel is also an alternative for us to make a bit of revenue, and become a member of my YouTube channel. You can join SBB at Suidland, bb.co.za, or email admin@suidlandbb.co.za. So you can make contact with us. You can participate by helping. We, of course, need a huge number and amounts of equipment to be able to do this effectively. All those things cost money. We can't do it without funds. And at this stage, we got to do what we have to do with what we have. Even if we are only a little bit prepared, we will be better prepared than most other people. So if you feel unsafe in South Africa, that things are moving too fast, just bear in mind that the police and the SADF will not be able to safeguard you and your family, your friends. They don't have the ability anymore. And once the country cascades into chaos, we will need to look after each other, to protect each other. And for that purpose, that reason is why I invite you to become involved, to be part and participate, and be active. Be active part of what must happen to ensure the survival of the Afrikaner. Enjoy this morning your condensed milk coffee. Make it nice and sweet. The situation in the world is getting more and more dangerous by the day. And we believe that the only solution for us here in South Africa will be to go into a lager for where we can effectively create life and dominate the more safer area effectively. Have a nice day, and I'll talk again to you next Wednesday in English. Otherwise, every morning at 7 in Afrikaans. Stay well. Cheers.